Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit neon green filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.56. Bring the contrast plus 59. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 15. Whites plus 18. Blacks plus 81. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the temp plus 2. Bring the tint minus 16. Vibrance plus 43. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. And bring the hue plus 27. Saturation minus 35. Next go to Orange. Bring the hue plus 4. Saturation minus 39. Luminance minus 20. Go to Yellow. Bring the hue minus 50. Saturation minus 71. Luminance minus 11. Next go to Green. Bring the hue plus 46. Saturation minus 56. Luminance plus 10. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue plus 40. Saturation minus 11. Luminance plus 32. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue minus 22. Saturation minus 49. Luminance minus 35. Go to Purple. Bring the hue plus 9. Saturation minus 75. Luminance plus 11. Next go to Pink. Bring the hue plus 19. Saturation minus 14. Luminance minus 19. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the Clarity plus 3. Go to Split Tone. And bring the hue plus 218. And saturation plus 15. For highlight. And bring the hue plus 175. And saturation plus 7. For shadows. And balance minus 29. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening plus 55. Detail plus 8. Noise reduction plus 29. Detail plus 0. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I Snap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.